Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the amazing handheld vacuum cleaner Cordless. This mini portable car hand vacuum cleaner is a game changer when it comes to cleaning your home, car, and even your keyboard. With its powerful suction and rechargeable lightweight design, this vacuum cleaner is perfect for all-round cleaning. It can easily remove cat litter, pet hair, dust, debris, and any other annoying residues with its super strong motor and cyclone vacuum technology. What's even better is that it's cordless and hassle-free, making it easy to store and convenient for your cleaning work. The quick charge technology allows for a fast recharge within 2-3 hours, giving you a super long cleaning time of about 20-30 minutes. Not only does it have a powerful performance, but it also features an ergonomic design with lower noise, making it comfortable to hold for long periods of time. Plus, it comes with a package that includes everything you need for a thorough cleaning. So, if you're in need of a convenient and powerful handheld vacuum cleaner, make sure to check out the link in the description below to get your own handheld vacuum cleaner Cordless. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome product reviews.